arrived. NOBI from Mame and Chino Lam workshop. NOBI the bear. Mine's just arrived. And look at him, the next in the series. If you recall, he's already had the elephant, the cat, and a few others, just to name a few. Guy dressed in a bear costume this time. Look how derpy his damn face is. Can't wait to open him. So same box size with Chino's original artwork there. Check out his nips. Let's get into it. Box. I predict the same clamshell packaging inside. So let's get this open. He's bloody upside down. Oh my god, I can't get enough of his derpy ass face and his nips. The classic nips and the slippers with his belly. Oh my god, look at his feet. He can also move his feet. So you can see him sitting sideways a little bit. Still not top heavy, which is pretty good. You can adjust it how you want. While paintwork looks top notch again. Love the little details in the eyes. You can see a little bit of eyeliner there. So pretty good depth. So this cost me 69 US. Most retailers sell it or had pre-orders for it. You might be lucky if they've got a few left. I know Strange Cat, My Plastic Heart, places like that, Play Toys Forever, JP Gallery, places like that might still have a few. So you can check that out. Let's take a closer look. Let's find anything bad about him. Oh, his arms move. Bit stiff, which is a good thing. Looks like he's rubbing his belly. So this one didn't come with any accessories. I'm gonna bring the elephant if I can find him. I'm sure I'll put him on the side. There it goes. The elephant came with the tusk. Pretty similar. But yeah, I do dig his feet. If my stupid camera can zoom in, focus I mean. But yeah, a lot more texture on this with the fur. Looks like a little dark wash just to bring it out. But yeah, no overpaint, no overspill, which is always a plus point. For 69 US, pretty good price. I reckon at least 5 to 6 inches, give or take. Holding it by 2, yeah, around 5-6 inches probably, maybe a bit bigger. But yeah, loving the dopiness. Compared to the elephant, slightly smaller. Before it goes, it is a character or guy dressed in a bear costume this time, as you can see. So Chino likes to use that as a base, but you can tell both of them are a little bit different. The belly's exposed, his pan's a bit lower, a bit like my body shape, and even his paws is painted. Yeah, can't wait for more of the zoo series. He has just teased the king, which is a lion. So I suspect that'll be a lion costume. I'll put the tease photo in the corner below in a minute. Probably the most funniest face out of them all. Kong is pretty angry. Well, wouldn't you be if your nips was that colour? Yeah, pretty cool. Let's see if his head moves. Yeah, yep, his head does move. So yeah, you can get a couple of cool poses with that. But yeah, if you guys want one, I'm sure some retailers will have them. So like I said earlier on, put it all in the info box on release notes later. But yeah, overall top quality. That's a quick one for you guys, and I shall see you on the next bounce. Leave you with some B-roll.